Hello. Today we are going to learn about birds. Join me as we learn what characteristics are special to birds. Hi, I'm Polly, and I'm a member of the bird group. I'm glad you are here so I can share some of the cool characteristics of birds with you. I'd like to introduce you to some of my bird friends, and they'll help us learn all about the bird group. These are my pals, Peter the peacock and Tom the turkey. They both have some pretty big examples of the things that cover a bird's body. Do you know what that is? Feathers. That's right. Birds are the only animal group that has feathers for body coverings. These birds have special feathers that help them when they are in the water. They have a special gland near their tails that produces an oil to make their feathers waterproof. This is pretty important since these birds spend lots of time in the water. Can you name these birds? So, have you noticed how I've been getting from place to place? With my wings. All birds have wings, and most birds use their wings to fly. Do you know any birds that don't fly? The penguin, the ostrich, and the emu are examples of birds that don't fly. Their bodies are too heavy for their wings to lift them into the air. The ostrich is the largest bird. It usually weighs between 200 and 300 pounds, and it can be 9 feet tall. An ostrich can run as fast as 40 miles per hour. But watch out, their strong legs can do lots of damage when they kick. Birds begin their lives in an egg just like these. These mockingbird chicks hatched from their eggs, and they are waiting for their parents to bring them a meal. Their parents feed them up to 5 times an hour. Even though young birds look a lot like their parents, they have feathers that are very different from their adult feathers. Look at this young king penguin. When he becomes an adult, he will look like this. Hey fellas, what's happening? So now that you've learned about what makes birds so beautiful, do you think you can remember all of their characteristics? What body covering do all birds have? I hope you said feathers. Are birds born alive or do they hatch from eggs? Yes, they hatch from eggs. What do most birds use to fly? Their wings. What are two birds that don't fly? Did you say the ostrich, the penguin, the emu? I wonder if there are others. Maybe you could research that. What are two birds that have a special oil gland to make their feathers waterproof? Did you maybe say a duck or a swan or a goose? I've enjoyed our visit today, and I hope you learned all about birds and what makes them so beautiful. Goodbye.